got snacks for the road, so.
Yeah. We're not gonna eat it yet. We're gonna eat it in Mom and Pa's house. C-A-R. Car.
I know I'm gonna get like the super late shift of driving, so I'm trying to kind of like relax and see if I can take a nap, but it's hard for me to fall asleep in the car.
But I am also driving to New York.
Let it be known, Genius Mommy is taking a shift on this road trip.
I am.
Now, it might just be, oh, that was shaky. Oh God. Could you drive a little smoother?
Excuse you?
Yeah, just drive a little smoother. Like the cracks in the ground, just don't drive over them.
Mama, don't. Drive over them. It's pretty fun. It's actually
Just, you know,
I'm not even
do your
driving
best to
over
level it
them.
out.
Like, it's not my fault that the road is that way.
For you non-drivers out there, it's literally impossible not to like, if it's a bumpy road.
Daddy, you said it's hard to sleep in the car.
Yeah, not for you.
Yeah, not for me because I could fall asleep anywhere. What I'm trying to do is sleep upstairs. And guys, can I tell you something?
You're trying to sleep on stairs? Is that your goal?
Yeah, that's my goal. That's good. Daddy, I can do it in my podcast. Look at this, guys. I can lay down and I can be so comfy.
Wow.
But we both know we're better in stereo.
Yay! It's 5:45 and we are in Connecticut.
I'm gonna take a nap with Wynter.
That's a great idea, guys.
Good nighty.
It is a rainy ride down to New York. When we get to Pa's car, guess what's the first thing I'm doing?
Candy! It's true though. So I definitely know I'm going to have Starburst first, then the mix-up Starburst, and then the big Sour Patch Kids.
Sounds like a plan.
And then I have dips first, and then candy. No, we can share. And then at the end I'm gonna make a big sandwich. Oh, that sounds yummy. It is yummy. Sisters by chance, friends by choice.
So cute. Right, Genius?
Adorable.
So adorbs. Oh, look at them. Oh my goodness, guys. We're going into state number 2. Start spreading the news. We're a bunch of cuckoo nuts.
We're in New York City, everyone knows, yeah.
We're in New York. We're actually from New York and we're here all the time, so we're kind of pretending to be excited about being in New York. Winnie's worried about her hair. Winter's going to Mom and Pa's house. It's Mom!
My God, Mommy, you're so big.
I know, right now I'm
Hi, Mom!
Hey!
Are you ready for the trip?
Yeah, we're ready for the trip.
It's Florida trip number 3 for Wynter and Rayne.
I'm definitely going to swim with you. It's Shaq.
Oh my goodness!
It's sandwich time, Izzy! Go get a sandwich! Get a sandwich! We all want to know, Rayne, how is the first bite of the sandwich?
Yummy. So good.
It's good, man. We ready?
No, it's not good. It's delicious.
Oh my goodness.
Pa! Our 3rd time going to Florida together.
Yeah.
What have you to say about it?
Good, good.
If you ever see Ma, tell her to cook these. These are delicious.
Tell Ma to make you a sandwich if you see her. And now the traditional packing of the luggage.
Hold on.
We're trying to leave, guys, but it's not as easy as it looks.
Hold on.
Izzy, where are you? Oh, there she is.
See, little by little.
Oh, yeah, they're dancing now. Packing was a little bit wet and difficult. Poor Pa's super stressed right now. How cuckoo nuts go to Florida, folks. There you have it. It's 7:25 and we're leaving.
Where we go?
Florida!
Washington Bridge, girls.
George Washington.
George Washington made that bridge?
Yeah. I want to listen to Selena Gomez
Why you want Selena Gomez?
because she's a singer.
And Selena's single too.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know what Selena is saying, so that's why I like Selena Gomez.
Oh, because Selena Gomez singing English, right?
Yeah, but you can still listen to it and dance it even though you don't know what it means. Diddy bum bum, diddy bum bum, diddy
Bam, bam, bam.
Girls are on the bridge.
Hey, guys, I just want to tell you viewers that tomorrow will almost be at Florida.
We'll see. You guys will fall asleep, and we'll see where we are when you wake up. Girls, I have bad news. We're in New Jersey.
Still.
Yeah.
The stinkiest state in the lower 48.
Hello, I'm from New Jersey, and this is an awesome place. And then me, I thought it was stinky state, and they're like, no, I'm from New Jersey, so you can't mess with me. Okay, I'm gonna eat it. Ready, set, go. Let me try it too.
Car.
Let me try it too. To the. Oh, good. It's a lemon flavor. Yeah.
Ooh, look at those eyes. Ooh, I thought it was so good.
Good God, guys. It is stinking here, man. Well, that's a pretty cool shot right there, guys. But it smells horrible. Honestly, the wind is blowing the car all over the place. No, look at the sign, Winnie. It says, "Welcome to Delaware."
It's winter, and this is winter camp right now, and this is my view right now. It's very pretty, and I can't wait to go to Florida. Yeah, I can't wait. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun. Bye. I'll see you later.
Maryland welcomes you, it said, Wynter.
Winnie before said, I said, do you want one? She said, no, I'm gonna wait for my sister. So she's been trying to wake her up the whole time.
Because they want a donuts. Girls want a donut. And Daddy wants a donut too. I'm gonna let you guys go so I can have some donuts.